Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Wix website's background. So first we need to make sure that we are looking at our website at 100% zoom. So just click on this button right here if it's not already at 100. And as you can see, as soon as I do that, if I click anywhere on my website, I will get this option to change the section background. So if I click on it, it will give me a bunch of different preset backgrounds which I can choose from, like so. Or if I want to upload my own image, and I will choose this option for image, and then I will go to upload media, upload from computer, and then I'll have to find the image itself on my PC and load it. So that's one way of how you can do it. You can also choose from these presets right here, or media that's given to you directly from Wix. And what's more, you can actually create a video background or a moving background on Wix by choosing this video option. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.